In this video, we are going to show you how to perform a PCR. PCR, or polymerase chain reaction, is a technique widely used in synthetic biology. With this method, we can make many copies of a single specific piece of DNA. We begin by adding all the components together. First, we add the milli-Q water. Next, we add the Q5 high-fidelity 2x master mix. This mix contains the building blocks of the DNA, the dNTPs, as well as the Q5 polymerase, the enzyme that assembles these building blocks stored in an appropriate buffer. After that, we add the DNA we want to copy, known as the template DNA. To amplify a specific region, we also add two primers. The short DNA sequences define which part of the template will be copied. Once everything is combined, we run the PCR protocol. The protocol has three main steps. First, the DNA strands are denatured, separating into two single strands. Next, as the temperature decreases, the primers bind into the DNA. Finally, the Q5 polymerase extends the primers by attaching nucleotides, creating a DNA strand. This cycle repeats many times, resulting in a large number of DNA copies. To check our results, we use gel electrophoresis. We mix loading dye with the PCR products and load them onto a gel. Because DNA is negatively charged, it moves toward the positive pole when an electric field is applied. By comparing the PCR product bands to a DNA ladder with fragments of known sizes, we can confirm the length of our amplified DNA.